Hello everybody, welcome back to the invest side of Trading 212, and today I'm going to be showing you what this is. So if you enjoy, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Instructions have been on screen, and I'm going to talk you through what this basically is. So this is an opportunity to invest money through Trading 212, obviously. This is one way of doing it, and it is through basically investing in stocks themselves. So what happens is you buy a stock for whatever value. You can buy a fractional share as well. But yeah, you basically just buy a stock. So if you don't have enough money for this actual stock yourself, you can buy a fractional amount. So you can buy a smaller amount. That is an option. So you can catch some of the rides upwards, but obviously not have the full stock. So unlike a CFD, this is fully owning the stock, like I've said. You can buy it, and basically when the price goes up, you will profit on that. Now, good things about this side of the app are it's lower risk, basically, than the CFD, because obviously the stock moves less on the actual app. So that's a positive thing. Other things to note are perhaps you don't make as much money as you will with a CFD, but obviously if you lose all your money on a CFD, you won't make any money at all. So bear that in mind when you are trading those. But basically, here is your portfolio, how much you have in, and it shows you the gains that you have. And so the basic line that you see at the bottom is what you started with, and you can see in the green is the percentage that you have made. Obviously I would presume it would be in the red if you've lost a percentage, and then you can see a breakdown of all of the stocks which you currently own. Here we can go into more stocks. So like I said, here we've got a few stocks, but these aren't all of the stocks on the app. Important to note that. So obviously we can see here over 3,000 different stocks and ETFs to go into. You can basically pick them for yourselves by basically different factors. So low volatility, high volatility, things like that. So what is volatility? I'll talk about this more in another video. But so if you got low volatility, that means that the shares tend to move around less in value. So it should hopefully be a safer investment, but obviously lower gains with that one as well. So bear that one in mind when you are investing in different companies. So yeah, there's a few things to note around this. It's generally safer than trading the CFD, like I've said, but you know, there is still a risk, and you can lose. But if you're looking to make a big profit on this one, it's important to note this will take longer than it would with a CFD, because obviously you catch lower moves, but I'll talk about CFDs in another video because that's a completely different topic. But yeah, there's a load of stocks for you to pick, and you can see at the top the number keeps going up and down because obviously the stock values are fluctuating while the markets are open. So when the markets are opening, or when they're open, that just means hours that you can trade, and generally on this side of the market they are not very long at all. So it's from 1430 to 2100 with Apple, and I would presume that would be the same for a lot of the American companies, and it does appear to be the case. So yeah, it's generally a safer way to invest, but obviously not completely foolproof. The top can show you how much profit you've made. So yeah, I just thought I'd make a short video just talking over this one because it's quite simple, and I can talk about the CFDs in another video in the near future. So if that sounds good, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.